Have you ever experienced the fervent drive of ambition within you, only to be told by others that your dreams are too grand, too audacious? Let's ignite that ambition and prove them wrong. When you aspire to achieve greatness, scaling heights that others can't fathom, you will encounter resistance. You'll hear naysayers, doubters, and critics. They'll assert that you can't succeed, that you're not capable, not strong enough, not intelligent enough. But remember, their doubts do not define your reality. Their limitations are not your own. Those without dreams often quash the aspirations of others. Regrettably, sometimes those closest to you, family, friends, loved ones, will be the first to question your dreams. They'll wonder, who are you to believe you can attain this? They'll highlight your imperfections, your past missteps, and your present challenges. Their vision is confined by their own experiences. They cannot perceive what you perceive. They do not comprehend the fire burning within you. They do not feel the hunger that propels you, and that's acceptable. They need not. Your dreams belong to you. Your vision is distinct to you. You are the only one who needs to believe in it. You are the sole individual who needs to recognize the potential, the possibility, the path. When they proclaim you can't, you assert, watch me. When they question you, utilize that to fuel your resolve. When they ridicule, fortify your determination. The journey to success is arduous. It is rife with obstacles, setbacks, and challenges, but it also brims with growth, learning, and remarkable rewards. You must remain focused on your objectives. Keep forging ahead and never allow anyone to dissuade you from pursuing your dreams. Outmatch the competition, outlast the critics, outshine the doubters. While they talk, you work. While they rest, you hustle. You persevere, while they relinquish. You persist. Success is not contingent on being the most astute or the swiftest. It is about being the one who is willing to invest the effort day in and day out, week after week, year after year. It is about possessing the fortitude, the tenacity, and the unyielding drive to keep advancing. Despite that, you may not witness results immediately. You may confront setbacks and failures, but every stride you take brings you closer to your goal. Every endeavor you undertake contributes to your progress. Every challenge you surmount fortifies your resolve. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Have faith in your vision, even when others fail to perceive it. Stay faithful to your course even when the going gets tough. Remember, the only limits that are real are the ones you impose on yourself. The only person who can genuinely deter your progress is you. So break free from doubt, supersede fear, and unleash your complete potential. You possess the power to shape the life you desire. You possess the fortitude to surmount any obstacle. You possess the determination to realize your dreams. Stay focused, stay committed, stay hungry. Keep toiling, keep striving, and keep believing in yourself. Your success story awaits composition. Make it a narrative worth recounting. The voices of doubt and negativism may be loud. They may be persistent, but you must be louder. You must be more persistent. Each morning, remind yourself why you embarked on this journey. Each evening, reflect on how far you have come. The journey is protracted, and the path can be rugged, but every step forward is a triumph. Every inch gained is progress. Those who doubt you, those who assert that you can't, they do not witness the hours you invest. They do not apprehend the sacrifices you make. They do not grasp the dedication you possess. They only perceive the surface. They only discern what they wish to see. However, you know the veracity. You are cognizant of the toil, the sweat, the tears. You comprehend the late nights and early mornings. You comprehend the ceaseless drive that propels you, and that is what counts. Not their opinions, not their doubts, your verity, your journey, your success. Keep progressing even when the path is indistinct. Keep propelling yourself even when you feel like relinquishing. Keep believing even when it seems insurmountable, because every monumental achievement commenced with a dream. Every success narrative commenced with a vision. And every person who has achieved greatness faced doubt, criticism, and adversity. They did not allow it to thwart them, and neither should you. When you contemplate surrendering, recall why you embarked on this journey. When you feel as though you are making no headway, ponder how far you have come. When you feel alone, be cognizant